Hello and welcome. Welcome to your Facebook Live. My name is Mariah Jacobs, and I'm your Bright MLS Customer Success Coach. Today, we will be going over one of my favorite tools, the Industry Watch. The Industry Watch report provides key housing metrics like the median sales price, percentage of original price received, average property marketing, and closed sales by zip code and county. This report is updated quarterly. Now, there's a variety of ways on how to actually use this report, whereas you can share this report with either your seller to let them know exactly what's going on in the market to set the right price, or even your buyer so that they set the expectations for when they're ready to buy a home. Now, you're probably wondering where exactly this report is located, and it's under the Market tab. So let's explore the Market tab and create an Industry Watch report. Clicking into that Market tab here, we're going to click Industry Watch. And as you see here on the screen here, we have a map, okay, where you can select the geographic area that you're looking to explore. Or you have this option over here on your left-hand side where it says area. So you can select your drop-down or select your map. I just selected the map, and what we're going to explore today is Fairfax County. I'm going to select Fairfax County, and the time period that I'm using is the most recent one, which is Q4. Selecting the Fairfax County option here, you then now have a beautiful report here with some great charts. So we have our key metrics for Q4, and it provides you with the year over change. So the median sales price is listed here, your average sales price, the percentage of the original price received, homes for sale, the closed sales monthly supply. But what I really think is very golden about this report here is if you scroll down, yes, we're looking at Fairfax County, but it has the zip codes for each area, okay? So it's providing you the zip code and the median sales price percentage of the original price received for each zip code. And this is golden because it depends on where, of course, you are about to sell that home. This can kind of give you a range as to what's going on so that you can set the right price for your seller, as well as for your buyer, letting your buyer know, okay, this is the median sales price in this area. This is what to expect. Okay. Now notice in your upper right-hand corner, you have the option to download or print this report out. My suggestion to you is maybe use it with your seller when you are looking to set the right price. You can include this report even in your CMA report, okay? So again, how did we get here? We selected the market menu, select Industry Watch, and select that designated county that you are looking to market that home or even sell it, find that home for your buyer, okay? So enjoy the Industry Watch, and thank you for joining us today.